just one. There's just two.
Okay, yeah. The difference between A and B is that in the denominator on B, there's only one term. So we're not going to have to use a conjugate. We just got to get rid of the I. So remember, I is the square root of -1. And before, when we were dealing with radicals, what did we do if we just had a single radical on bottom?
We would
Multiply by itself, right? So that's what we're going to do here. Now the question is, do I have a problem with the 2 or is it just the I?
Yeah.
Just the I, right? So we're just going to multiply by I. And what you do to the bottom? Do to the top. Good. All right. So now you can multiply by 2I. But what's going to happen is at the end, you're definitely going to be able to reduce those three numbers, okay? No, you don't have to change the sign when it's just one term. That's only when there's two terms, because then you have to use a conjugate to make the middle part cancel out on you. So, I'm going to rewrite this. Okay, good. So this will help you with it. So I'm going to rewrite this. Remember, I always put my single term at the front. So I have I times 2 minus 3I over, and on bottom, it doesn't matter. Both of them are I, so are just single terms. So 2I times I. So what are we going to do on top? Distribute. Good. Just have that I there. So both of the things inside the parentheses get it. So what's I times 2? And then I times, careful, -3I.
-3i squared.
Good. All right, I'm going to keep going on top like I did earlier. So the only thing I can do is what on top? Yeah, the I squared, right? So we have 2I minus 3 times, what is I squared? Okay. And then we can multiply. So it gives me 2I plus 3. And then there's one other thing I have to do here.
Switch it.
Yeah, switch them. Remember, we want I to be last, okay? So this is a positive 2I, and this is a positive 3. Make sure the sign goes with the number. So you got 3, and then a positive 2I. What's that?
Number 65, it says 3i. So would you just, 65 is 3i, and then in parentheses 2 minus 5i, would you just distribute the 3i?
Yes. Okay, on bottom there we have 2I times I, so we're just multiplying. What is 2I times I?
2i squared.
2I squared. And then, yeah, and then we get that I squared, which is, and then we can multiply, which is, and I can't do anything else, so I'm just going to bring the -2 over. And then remember, your last step there is to check the three numbers. So let's see, we have a 3, a 2, and a -2. Are they all divisible by some number? No, right? So that is simplified. So there's our answer.